Are you planning a trip to Rio de Janeiro, or is it on your bucket list? Are you wondering what you could squeeze into 48 hours in one of the most vibrant cities in the world? Join me as I dive into the colorful streets, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems of Rio de Janeiro, from the bustling ports and the breathtaking views and excursions that you won't want to miss. Let's see how much adventure 2 days can really hold.
Hi, I'm Jen Taylor with Adventures by Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the time we spent in Rio de Janeiro. We arrived via the Sapphire Princess. We were on a 3-week South American cruise, starting off in Fort Lauderdale and heading all the way down to Buenos Aires. But the port that I was the most excited about was Rio de Janeiro, because it's always been on my bucket list. So fortunately, we had 2 days in this magical destination, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you.
Our first stop after arriving at Rio de Janeiro is Sugarloaf Mountain. We decided to get our tickets through Viator since we have 2 full days at port and knew we would have no problem getting back to the ship. I highly recommend this because we were able to get the fast pass for less expensive than the tour that they had coming off the ship with a group. I will leave the link to Viator down below if anyone is interested in getting these fast pass tickets. So I'm taking you up a ride on the cable car to Sugarloaf Mountain, one of Rio's most iconic landmarks. This granite peak rises 396 meters above the bay and is named because it looks like a traditional loaf of sugar. The views are absolutely breathtaking, as you can see. You can see the city, the bay, the surrounding mountains. This cable car system has been operating since 1912 and is one of the first in the world. When arriving at the top of Sugar Mountain, you will find the panoramic views and a chance to explore the natural beauty of this World Heritage Site. It is a must-see when visiting Rio de Janeiro. While exploring Sugarloaf Mountain, we came across this wonderful restaurant and bar called Classico Beach Club Urca. It's located at the top of Sugarloaf Mountain, and it offers a spectacular panoramic view of Rio's Bay, Copacabana Beach, and the Christ Redeemer. It features casual yet upscale atmosphere with outdoor seating perfect for enjoying sunsets and the cityscape. I highly recommend the menu. It has a Brazilian flair with contemporary dishes. We had a burger that was absolutely amazing. As we glide down from the summit of Sugarloaf Mountains in one of Rio's iconic glass-walled cable cars, taking in the breathtaking 360-degree views from all around us. Below, the city stretches out between lush green forest and sparkling blue coastline. Our journey ends down at a peaceful spot nestled at the foot of the mountain. This small scenic beach is known for its soft sand, gentle waves, and a stunning backdrop of Sugarloaf itself. A perfect place to relax, have a nice cold drink, and soak up the beauty of Rio after an unforgettable cable car adventure. Next stop is one of the world's most iconic landmarks, Christ the Redeemer. At over 100 feet tall, with arms stretching as wide as a basketball court, Christ the Redeemer isn't just a statue, it's a symbol of peace, unity, and welcoming spirit of Brazil. Covered in over 6 million soapstone tiles, this Art Deco masterpiece has been a beacon of hope since its completion in 1931.
I hope you enjoyed day 1 and we're about to start day 2. But before that, I would like to ask, if you are enjoying this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
For our second and final day in Rio, we of course decided to go to Copacabana Beach. We really enjoyed walking on the beach as well as the boardwalk. The boardwalk was full of little restaurants and bars that had great local cuisine as well as refreshing drinks. Copacabana is more than just a beach. It's a cultural hub with historic forts, lively street scenes, and unforgettable views that capture the heart of Rio de Janeiro. The iconic wave pattern mosaic pavement on the boardwalk was created by an artist, Roberto Marx, in the 1970s. It's made from black basalt and white calcite stone imported from Portugal. It symbolizes the waves of Copacabana Beach and is a defining feature of the area. There's also street performers, local vendors, beach sports, and a lively crowd enjoying the culture. After 2 unforgettable days exploring Rio de Janeiro, it is clear why this city captures the hearts of so many. I highly encourage you to experience this incredible city for yourself. 2 days is just enough to get a taste, but it will leave you wanting to come back for more. Pack your bags, embrace the rhythm of Rio, and get ready for an adventure you won't forget.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification button so you can follow me through my world travels.